Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Anybody that's new to the channel, my name is Chris, and in this video we're going to talk about Tilray Stock, ticker symbol TLRY. Now we all know that the cannabis industry is still a growing industry, but while many other companies are heavily reliant that United States legalizes marijuana, Tilray has been making moves globally. So in this video, I want to give you guys the top catalyst for Tilray stock that could probably keep propelling this company and to make sure the stock value keeps on surging. And this one trading day, this stock gained over 40%. And I do see this stock continuing to rise for the rest of year 2021. As always, I always try to give you guys the most up-to-date information that I possibly can. If there's something you like and do enjoy, please make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up. It does help out the channel. So without further ado, guys, let's get on with the video. Tilray stock, ticker symbol TLRY, right now after hours is trading at $48.10, and after hours they went up 13.58%. So after they already increased their value during market hours, 40.74%. All right, there has been some brand new developments for this company. If we could see the past 5 trading days, it was trading around the lows, at least around $26.31. If we take a look back at a month back, it was $12.67. All right, which is incredible for any type of company, basically almost 4xing the value in just less than a month. They have a market cap of $6.7 billion and an average volume of 29.4 million. Okay, so now when it comes to Tilray stock, we all know this company as a cannabis company. This company is focused on medical cannabis research, cultivation, processing, and distribution of cannabis products worldwide. Okay, if we take a quick look at their financials, you can already see that their financials isn't too pretty. Their earnings per share is pretty negative. Their operating income is also negative as well. Even though this is their balance sheet for 2019, it does show they have more assets than liabilities, but this company is in debt. Okay, they have an operating cash flow of negative $258 million right now. Okay, now Tilray stock has been a global leader in the cannabis industry when it comes to cannabis supply and distribution. Okay, the pioneering the future of cannabis globally. Now, this company does have a lot of potential because now this company is not just heavily relying in the US to basically legalize marijuana, okay, or to legalize the cannabis in the United States. Okay, we'll take a quick look at photos of the grow room. You can see how incredible the operation kind of is. Okay, now what type of major catalyst Tilray has been doing as of late that is separating themselves from any other company out there? One of the biggest things that they did was that they announced a merger with a company called Aphria. Aphria and Tilray to merge in $4 billion all-stock pot deal. Aphria and Tilray agreed to join forces, creating the world's largest, biggest marijuana production and distribution company with a combined value of nearly $4 billion. Okay, now this is going to be a very big catalyst for Tilray moving forward. Now it's going to be one of the biggest distributions out there in the world. The combined entity's 12-month annual sales of $874 million are larger than current industry leaders such as Curaleaf Holdings and Canopy Growth. Okay, when this merger is completed, it should be completed on the second quarter of year 2021. They still will be trading under ticker symbol TLRY and be trading under the company name Tilray. Okay, so this is going to be a very big, impactful move moving forward for Tilray investor and for Aphria investors. As we all know, the cannabis industry is still a growing industry, especially now that Joe Biden has become the president of the United States. As we all know, now there is more Democrats in the House and in the Senate, and normally the Democrats are pro-cannabis, and so they might even push to legalize the marijuana fully inside the United States. That's why there has been a very big push as of late for the whole cannabis industry. Specifically, if you're going to be a leader in the cannabis industry, the top guy is going to get the most revenue and the most profit and the most recognition from this. And the top guy, in my opinion, guys, is Tilray. So this is going to be very big news once marijuana gets legalized in the United States. Could Tilray become a millionaire maker stock, guys? Now, this is going to be the very big question that a lot of stock investors and analysts have. Can Tilray actually keep apart and stay up to beat with many other different cannabis companies? Can it compete with the likes of SNDL and Sundial Growers? Because that company doesn't have any debt, but Tilray does have debt. Okay, but one of the biggest things that actually does propel this company over any other cannabis company is that they are worldwide. That is one of the other biggest catalysts that this company has over anybody else. Okay, if we see here, Tilray received the first and only market authorization to offer medical cannabis products in Portugal. It has received the necessary approvals and market authorization in accordance with the Portuguese legislation to offer Tilray medical cannabis products in Portugal. Okay, that is big because not many other cannabis companies offer products in Portugal. And not just that, guys, they also even exported the first shipment of medical cannabis to Spain. It has agreed with World Pharma to export good manufacturing process certified medical cannabis from Portugal to Spain. The shipment marks the first medical cannabis import into Spain by World Pharma and the 17th country to receive Tilray medical cannabis worldwide. Okay, I have to highlight this really quick. The 17th countries to receive Tilray medical cannabis worldwide. Okay, that is very big. Even though this company was shut down by the virus last year and did make a little bit of debt because of that, this company is still distributing their cannabis products worldwide. The 17th country to receive medical cannabis from Tilray. And in my opinion, guys, that's very big because there's some companies that only distribute it in their own region. For example, if you're at SNDL, they're only distributing right now in Canada. So Tilray does have the upper edge, in my opinion, over companies like SNDL. That's why this company, in my opinion, is going to be the global leader in the cannabis industry. Tilray announced an agreement with Grow Pharma to import and distribute medical cannabis products in the UK. They haven't even finished. Now they're in Spain, now they're in Portugal, now they're heading to the UK. It has established an agreement with Grow Pharma to import and distribute Tilray's medical cannabis products in the UK. The agreement allows Tilray to provide authorized UK patients in need with a locally maintained supply of medical solutions. Okay, for those of you that don't know how big and important this thing is, Grow Pharma is the leading UK medical cannabis distributor. So having a partnership with already a leading distributor is going to really help the global leader, Tilray, to improve even more. The moment this announcement was made, Tilray shares went up almost 40%. Okay, that's how impactful this deal is. The CEO of Tilray stated that this partnership with Grow Pharma provides patients in need access to a sustained supply of GMP certified high quality medical cannabis and is an important step in improving access in the UK. So you can already see this is a major catalyst for Tilray moving forward. This company has been surging, and I do not see this company slowing down, not one single bit. Okay, now if we take a quick look at their past earnings, the revenue increased 10% to $50.4 million, $137 million in Q2 2020, ending cash balance, and $250 million remaining on ATM. Okay, now this is the part where a lot of investors start to get worried as well. They had a net loss of $81.7 million, increased from $45.4 million year over year. Okay, which is not something a lot of investors like to hear. But this company has been surging and has been doing the right moves at the right specific times. Now, my opinion on Tilray Stock, guys. Now, this company, in my opinion, in the long term, is going to be the global leader and the #1 leader in the cannabis industry. I don't think it's going to be CNDL or Royal Cannabis or any other companies. I believe that the merger that they had with Aphria is going to be very inferior to everything that's happened. Now, they're going to be the global leader and the best distributor worldwide when it comes to cannabis products. They already are global. They're already in Portugal, Spain, and in the UK. Okay, so they have so many rooms for expansion still. They still have a lot of room for expansion. Now, this company is still up and coming. People have to get worried because it's still in debt. Okay, it was trading less than $12 just a month ago, so there is a lot of volatility. So depending on what type of news is going on in the market will also depend on how well this company is performing in the stock value. Now, when it comes to a good price point to go in, guys, I am really conflicted because when it comes to companies like this, you do see a lot of potential and you do see what type of impact it could probably do long term. Okay, and you never really want to miss on a gain waiting for a 10% dip or 15% dip, right? So I do believe maybe, I will start building my position once it starts to dip maybe 5-10% a little bit, just to see where it goes. I'll probably wait it out just 1 or 2 more days just to see again where the stock price is going, because right now it's really overvalued and it's trading over 10 times its actual revenue, which is always a little bit of concern when it comes to certain companies like this. But if you don't want to miss on any of the potential growth that it has in the future, you could probably start building a position around right here, around the mark that is in right now, around $48.67. Okay, it does seem a little overpriced, and it is pricey just a little bit, But if you're willing to take the punches and stick to the volatility and hold this company long term, I think you'll be all right. Okay, now this company is up and coming, so please keep in mind you will see a lot of volatility. But that is my honest opinion on Tilray Stock. I do see a lot more major catalysts still going to build up with this company, but these are just the major catalysts they has done in the first 2 months of year 2021, and I do see this company growing exponentially for the rest of year 2021. All right, guys, so that's basically the video. I do hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys felt like you guys are up to date with Tilray Stock, please make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up. It does help out the channel. All right, guys, so please take care of yourselves. Please wear your mask. Please, thank you for watching the video all the way through. It does help me out and does make me happy. If you guys have any questions, please comment down below what type of questions you have pertaining to Tilray Stock or any other cannabis stock out there. I have made videos on CNDL and other cannabis stocks out there just to see where you guys are at. I'll put the links down in the description as well if you guys are interested in those companies as well. All right, guys, so please take care of yourselves. Please wear your mask. Be kind to one another. Love each other. And peace out, guys. Have a great day. Till next time. Bye. Peace.